Hello people, this is ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you a preset download, or I'll give you a preset for the macro photography. This was stock image, a non-edited image, and after applying the preset you'll get this type of output. Okay, I'll give the download link in my video description, so download from there, and after downloading that you'll get this type of zip file, and press the right button and extract this file and hit the OK button. You'll get another folder and you'll get a XMP file for the preset. Okay, after that just open up your photo in a Photoshop. Yes, I already opened it up. Okay, and after that go to the filter and camera filter. After going there you'll get another settings, the load settings option, and you'll get that folder in your image folder, and just select this one and press the open options. You'll get the output of this one. Let's see the before and after one. Okay, I'm zooming in the before one and after one. The matcher green color you'll get, and hit the OK button. You'll get the result of your photo. And let's apply another photo in a photo like that, this one, and hit the OK button. It will open. After that press Ctrl J for the new copy of this layer and go to the filter, camera filter. The same process, go to this settings and load settings options and select this preset and hit the OK button. You'll get the output or result in this window, the previous one and the after one, and you can hit OK. After that go to the file and open. Let's try another just image. What will be the output? Okay, select the open options and press Ctrl J for the new copy, and go to the filter and camera filter. Same process, load settings and select this XMP file and hit the open button. Let's see the before and after. Okay, and hit the OK button. Okay, the before one, after one, before one, after one, and the before and after. Actually this preset you can apply in a green background or green priority image. You can apply this preset. If you want to get the download link, please check out my video description, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.